The Supreme Court today has granted bail to Ashoka University Professor Ali Khan Mahmudabad. Now remember, this was an entire controversy regarding his post on social media platform Facebook, where he was in fact talking about the Operation Sindoor and the aftermath and the press conference that was held as far as Operation Sindoor details were concerned. After which there was in fact a complaint that was lodged against this Professor Ali Khan by Haryana Women Commission, where they were in fact pointing out that this is in fact a disgrace and humiliation against the two officers who were present in the press conference. Now the case had in fact reached the Haryana local court, after which he was sent to judicial custody, and the matter now reached the Supreme Court, where the hearing began. And today the Supreme Court has in fact granted bail to Professor Ali Khan, but at the same time there are some conditions that has also been put forth by Supreme Court at this point. Now remember, Supreme Court in its observation has also slammed Professor Ali Khan, where Supreme Court has clearly mentioned that as far as his post is concerned, it was in fact an attempt to dog whistling. Apart from that, also an attempt to create cheap publicity are these observations that was made by the Supreme Court bench of justices. But at the same time, bail has in fact been granted to Professor Ali Khan at this point, but the conditions have also been set. The first condition is that he has to in fact cooperate with the investigation, because remember, though he has been given an interim bail, at the same time Supreme Court has not stopped the probe or the investigation or stayed the two FIRs. So the investigation is going to continue, and the Supreme Court has specifically asked Professor Ali Khan to cooperate with the investigation and be present whenever he is called for the questioning. Secondly, he has also been asked not to express his opinion on social media or make any sort of public commentary when it comes to Operation Sindoor. This is the second condition of the bail that has been set by Supreme Court. Now, Supreme Court, meanwhile, has also in fact set an SIT as far as the entire case is concerned, so the investigation could take place. Now, this SIT will be comprising of three senior officers, and this will include one women officer, and is going to be headed by DGP level officers. So this particular SIT is also not going to be from the officers who are from Haryana or Delhi, so that there is in fact a neutral angle as far as the investigation is concerned. Now, why Supreme Court is doing this is Supreme Court believes that some of the lines or the highlights of the post that has been put by Professor Ali Khan has dual meaning. So that needs to be investigated is what the Supreme Court believes. But so far we are seeing that as far as Professor Ali Khan is concerned, he has now been given bail, but this has created a lot of debate as far as the freedom of speech is concerned. We are seeing that the intellectuals, the academic circle, activists, all have been speaking in favor of Professor Ali Khan, saying that this is nothing but trying to muzzle the dissent voice against the government. The Congress also in fact has interfered in the entire controversy, where they have been saying that this is nothing but BJP try to muzzle the free speech in the country. So we are seeing in fact how the debate has only increased after the post was made, after his arrest was made. Now finally he has got a bail, but interim bail, but also with certain conditions, and at the same time the investigation will continue as far as Ashoka University Professor Ali Khan Mahmudabad is concerned.